you can see that is always on and doesn't change anything here. Hi everyone, so today we have this hair clipper or hair trimmer. So the problem with this is over here. When I'm it has the on and off, but it's always on. So I can connect it. Probably it will make some noise, but you will hear it. So you can see that is always on and doesn't change anything here. So I guess probably it will be something here inside with the button itself. Maybe something broke, but I didn't hear anything at all, so I'm not really sure. So first of all, let's disassemble. I think this kind of this brand Electronica, I don't know this brand at all. I think this is a very cheap one, but we can try to open and see what is the issue. I think might be that other trimmers or clippers will be very similar in the way to disassemble. I guess just these 4 screws and that's it. And you will see already some hairs here floating around, so probably there will be a lot of mess. So here you just need to use a Phillips screwdriver. Here is a PH2 and this one fits here. So I guess it depends on the model, might be different ones. And okay, and actually I can pop it up right away. And you can see like very messy, and I probably will need to vacuum clean this, and that's it. So I think this was out of place actually. Here if you can see the on and off button, I think it was out of place. Yeah, it seems that went out of place, but let's connect it, and you can see I press it and it went into place, and now it's basically there. Yeah. So actually might not be. Let me see if it's the other way around. Yeah. So now it presses. You can see over there. I was putting probably this other way around, and like this, of course, it doesn't do anything, but it needs to follow up here these sides of the plastic basically. So this might be it. So like this is off. So okay, so it doesn't turn on. It does turn on. So actually that was it. This kind of switch over here, it was out of place. It was like this. So, and it really fits. It really fits over here in this side. So basically, it's just to fit it in place. So actually, quick fix. But let's do a clean on this, because this is really here a mess. Hairs everywhere, everything falling apart. So I will as well clean all of these, and then let's mount it again. If you, in case you need, you can check my other video and I will fully disassemble it. Okay, and I guess that's it. I did some cleaning with vacuum cleaner, and that's it. So I guess now just to put everything back again, we just put here the button itself. here these cables, we need to be careful not to put it here under the holes of the screws. And the cover, you basically just put the cover, let's see, here needs to fit here properly, the wire, and then I think that's it. Let's see. Yeah, it turns on. Actually still on. I forgot about it. Should have turned it off, but you can. And that's it. Basically it works fine on and off, and it was a very easy fix. So just need to take off the cover, and then you can see here the button, and that's it. If you have some similar issue, or if you have any issue with these kind of trimmers, clippers, then you can watch my other video where I fully disassemble it, so maybe it will be useful for you. So please check my other video. So hope this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.